back. Now you can see what is meant by instant template. You may get some confusion. Previous video, if you see that my previous video mentioned in description, there is images also there. Images also, you can build custom images. Okay, custom images means create an image like this, you can build. What happens is, in this, it will create from the source whatever the content you have. It will be copying whatever the content you have in that your source disk, okay, disk or uh, storage file or VHD snapshot, whatever the content you have, that will completely will replicate to that image, whatever the files we have seen. But the thing is, see here, there will be a interview question. That is the reason a image will be replicating, okay, completely whatever the applications you have. We installed Apache, right, and some monitoring shell scripts, okay, like that. Fine. Now then, what is the difference? Instance template is also same thing. Instance template is useful for configurations, only for configuration, and it will be used for managed instance groups. Very important. Okay, now I'll show you how to create a instance template. In this template you can configure whatever the this has to be 2 GB RAM and this has to be 4 GB RAM, like that you can configure, and you can mention startup scripts. While booting itself, it has to start some scripts. That configuration settings you can store it in your instant template. See, template, this is for, I'm creating a template for EMEA. Okay, this is for any template for any DB or DB. I don't want any web related. Okay, it is for dev. This is completely dev web template. Okay, if any using development part, they can. Otherwise you want to go with production, you can, according to your settings, whatever the things. Okay, development, I need only minimal things like that. In real time they'll be using E2 based on, see, so many 16 GB 128, the cost will be there according to your applications. These are all, I can say, legacy applications. Microservices also there. Later I will tell you. Go with normal small 1 GB. Okay, and disabled con something like enable this is not required. Container, it's not required. Booting, see this one, very important. Configuration settings only in the template. Go here. I'm changing with CentOS. Okay, CentOS, it will be 8 something. Database size, it has to be create in this template 25 GB. Okay, let it be. Here also you can mention the template. What is the template name? Device, this, use whatever that is. You can use the template name. What is this? Ours is EMEA web dev template version 1, like that it will be there. Sometimes what happens is the templates latest configurations, they'll be doing 0102 like that. If any requirement comes, I want to get template 01 means 2 GB, like that it will be in template to some 50 GB, like that it will be there. Okay, now that's it. Template is creating. This all we have seen, it's not required. See, I'm using, you can use command line or whatever, you can see this one directly, you can run or you can create it. I'm showing in Cloud Shell. Here it will run here itself, or you can enable here. Okay, what is the command? Okay, again you can copy to the clipboard, close it. Okay, see, template is creating. You can create, authorize. You can create here, or with Cloud Shell also we can do that. Okay, it is done. See here, template is created. It won't store your which region and all those things. It won't store anything. Okay, just image. What is this? Disk type. What is this? Micro. What is this? Which one we created? Refresh. It is not created, right? Yeah. See this one, template. You want to see what are the columns are there? See, no policy is not there. Let it be. Later I will tell you that. In use, remove. See this template. Suppose I want to build startup script also, we need to add actually. Okay, suppose you forgot the startup script. Okay, that is also go here. See, this is the thing. You can see whatever the things are there. Show details are disabled. Accordingly, APIs will be there. Accordingly, you can enable it, hide as of now. See, I'm creating similar one, but I will add startup script in that. Create similar, copy. Why? Because of I'm creating EMEA. Okay, I want to do in APEC also. APEC region also, we need to follow the same. Now you can create APEC, Asia Pacific. We are working throughout the globe. That is the reason. Okay. So CPU, you want to customize CPUs also. Okay. This is also you can customize it. 2 cores. It should be multiply. It does not support. Okay. In some cases, accordingly, it won't support. There is a formula. This is very 1 GB, right? That is why if you go with 2 GB, 1 core. Okay, I think this is not supporting. Let it be automatic. We are taking very minimal, right? That's why 1 is enough. Let it be. I don't want none. Okay, see this same. See custom images later, not required right now. Fine. See, enabling VM settings compatible whatever the adjustments you want. Just enable it. Enabled. The charges also, it will be increasing 70. If you need this one, you can go with that according to your project, or you can disable it. Not required. This is a template, right? That's why. See, advanced. You can go here. What is the script I want to get it with? That startup script. So many things are there. You can give the tags also. Later I will tell you. Disk, you want to additional disk, because we have given only configuration with 25 GB. I want to increase, I want to add one more drive for that. You can add it. Okay, you can add 100 GB. 100 GB is there additionally. In real time, it will be like that only. Some application related thing. Okay, I'm not adding. In management, see, in management, you can see the startup script automatically. Once your VM is created, this script will be created in this template where I have a script. Yeah, this one. I have a script, startup script. Copy this script, go here, put here. Just this is second one. In first template, we don't have this startup script. Okay, we don't, nothing is there. This will be helpful. In real time, the startup scripts will be there. It might be in shell script, it might be in Python also, it will be accepted. See, it is created. What is this? Maybe we selected this type of mission types configurations because we didn't say that, right? We changed it. Like now template has been created. In this template nothing is there. In this template we have startup script also. Okay, now I want to build a VM with using this template. Okay, Apex servers means this template, EMEA servers means this template. You need to use that. Where we need to create a, go here, VM instance, create instance. Now don't go with this one, create new instance with the template. That's it. Which template we are planning to do that? Apex, right? Yes. Selecting that, all those things, Apex template. Settings will be there. Okay, that startup scripts, everything will be there. But some cases, what happened that you are using the template, whatever the templates here, right? Which one? 001 mission name. Zones you can change whatever. See, for example, we it won't store the zones and everything in the template. I told. Okay, now Singapore, but we selected, but it won't store that. Singapore, let it be. This is also change it. Startup scripts will be there. Where they can, oh yeah, see all the template AP dev, you know, 50 25 GB, and I'm not selected anything here. Okay, create. VM is creating right now. It's created. In the template, I repeat once again, in template it won't store this, whatever the things, which region, which zone, it won't store that. Later on, while creating instances, you can customize wherever according your project. Some cases will be changing with some other region, right? In Apex itself. Okay, now you can connect and verify it, whatever the whether it is installed Apache or whatever may be. According to the script, you can verify. You can verify and you will get the result. Okay, now you can delete it. Okay, okay, coming back to template. Don't keep it because it will be, I told, right? You can delete it. I don't want these things. You can delete. Okay, fine. Give delete button. Delete. Okay, go to VM. Command line also you can go and delete it. Go here, delete. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Subscribe to my daddy's channel for regular updates. Click on bell icon.